So my name is Paul Meli. I'm Vice President of Construction Risk at Triton Construction. It helps serve three purposes, and I think these are all very important. They overlap, and they're independently a very singular important issue for me. One, it helps maintain paperwork electronically, so we don't have the reams of paper that we have on sites. We don't have to have binders full of documents and space that we need to develop for that paperwork. Two, it meets compliance standards. If the DOB, if a regulator wants to come in and see a particular paperwork from a particular subcontractor or an individual, it's a very simple process. You type in the name, you download the documents, you can print it out, and in a matter of minutes, maybe even less than that, we have the documentation that's required from whatever project or whatever subcontractor that we need it for. And the third one, which I think is the more important one, is that there's a risk issue and we need to have documentation for a claim or some other issue, some other legal issue. We have in the past have had gaps in paperwork. And not having any gaps in paperwork, meaning we have all the orientation documents, we have all the training information, we have toolbox talks, we have daily safety briefings, we have JHA documentation, all at our fingertips. And we can download that, send it out to where it's got to go, and it's right there. And we don't have any gaps, again, in losing paperwork, which is what we have had in the past, and I'm sure others have as well. When you have these reams of paper, you have them for 2 or 3 years or 4 years. And then at the end of the project, you're trying to figure out where all this paperwork is, where it went, and how to get it when you need it. So I think in that big picture issue, SafetyClerk is a very valuable tool for us.